Hey guys, it's Mike with Reject Build again. Working on the truck today. A little bit of electrical work, kind of redoing some mounts, adding this external fuse box here, distribution block for when I do a secondary amp in the truck. Also, this is going to be used. I've got that and an underbody kit that's going to go on the truck here before too long, at least if the weather stays. So just kind of wiring some stupid stuff up, getting it done. Probably not going to be a big video on this, probably just what you're seeing. Literally running a battery or a power cable in from the battery. One of these is going out to the amp that's currently in the truck. This one will be going to a secondary amp when I get it. And I'm probably going to run a remote lead off of this. Or I'll use this one to run off of this. And then eventually add in somewhere else. But that's what I'm working on today. Alright, so got the wiring all done. Positive lead there comes up and around into the distribution block. And then 4-gauge out to the fuse block, and the other one runs down through the grommet into the cab for the amp. So looks pretty clean in my opinion. Doesn't hit the hood. Let's see, only one side of that's usable right now, but I'm only going to be using 2 of these anyway, so it doesn't make too much of a difference. So that's all there really was to that. I gotta still get a ground side here and run that to a ground, but I gotta get wiring for that. I've got wiring for it, I gotta get terminals for it. But until then, on to the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. And see you on the next one.